Hey guys, today is my last day. I am packing up, heading out to my next destination. It was fun here at Henderson State Park. It was nice, comfortable. So I'm losing daylight here. I got the fire going. I burned up the last wood, and I'm just gonna clean stuff up because traveling with a dog, when it gets really humid, they sweat and all of her bedding smells. So I took it out. So tomorrow I'm going to do the laundry. But today I'm just going to get all the dog hair, clean up the van, get it ready for the road for 8-hour travel tomorrow because our destination is going to take 8 hours. So we're going to do that and then get everything comfortable. Oh yeah, hey guys. This t-shirt I got off Van Caskey's website, so follow them on YouTube, the Van Caskey's, and go on their website and order a cool t-shirt or a sweatshirt or a coffee mug and a hat and all that goodie stuff they have on their website. So check them out, Van Caskey's on YouTube. Thank you, Van Caskey's, for the shirt. Hey guys, the van is clean. Alright, time for me to get a shower and lay it down because I got 8-hour drive tomorrow. I gotta get up early in the morning and get going. So, oh, can you see the fire is still going back there? It's not big, but it's almost out. Alright guys, I'll pick you up on the road, or I'll pick you up in the morning to say good morning. But for now, good night. Hey guys, about to hit the road. It's another beautiful day, a little cloudy here in Destin, Florida. So I'm about to leave Henderson State Park and head to my next destination. So travel along with me, guys. I'll see you on the road. I'm still waking up. I need a cup of coffee. Okay. Type of bridge here. Wow. And it feels like it's crooked, like leaning sideways. Oh my goodness. A little nervous. Woo. To the finish line. Oh my goodness. Wow, we're almost there. A little bit longer. Woo! We made it. I survived. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi guys. Woke up to a Cracker Barrel. My first time staying at a Cracker Barrel by myself on this road trip. It's a bit foggy on my drive here this morning. It usually will take me about 8 hours to get there, but seeing that I was in Destin, Florida this time, so it was a 9-hour drive. I did not complete that drive yesterday because it was traffic was crazy, rain, fog, and then an accident, and I'll show some pictures here. So I just stopped for the day because I got exhausted. So that 9-hour drive is now going into 24 hours. But it's okay. I'm going to go do some laundry right now here in this local town. I am in Lafayette, Louisiana. I'm almost to my destination. I'm about 4 hours away. So there is dense fog again this morning. So I'm gonna go do some laundry in hopes to kill some time and let the sun come out and the fog go away so that I can have a safe drive to my destination. And I'll pick you guys up shortly. Okay, alrighty. We have arrived to the laundromat. Sassy's whining. Alright, let's get this laundry going. We are here at Galveston. I'm here with the family, grandbaby. We're gonna enjoy ourselves here at Galveston. We're gonna hit up the pier and walk around and explore this place again. But today is a beautiful day. I believe the last time I was here it was a little cloudy, but that's okay. Today is a good day. It is so nice out here. So I'm bringing you guys along to enjoy Galveston Beach with me and my family. I probably won't put them on video though. So family is private time and personal time, but we're here in Galveston. Let's go. Galveston Island Historic Pleasure Pier. Just gonna go have some fun. Oh, it's just beautiful. Look at that view. Look at the water. It's beautiful. These some steep stairs. Oh my goodness. This is great, guys. Oh, I would show my face, but I'd rather you guys enjoy this view. Enjoy this walk. We're gonna walk down here on the rocks. I gotta put my shoes back on because I'm sure I'm gonna hurt my feet without them. So, ooh, this is nice. No, I'm gonna keep my shoes off. It's too much sand. Too much sand.
Oh, you got all the sand on it?
Yeah.
You gonna get it off?
I'm good. You know, I do all this crazy stuff. Right here.
Yeah. Gotta put your shoes back on there.
Right. It's showing. Like an obstacle maze. You gotta be careful. Zip up your purse.
Watch your step.
We out here.
Got people fishing. Excuse me.
Hold on, I think this is as far as we can go.
That's fine. You ain't gotta go farther.
I'm gonna get right here.
All right. Look at it, gonna keep going.
Step back so they can cross over. Come this way. Oh no, you waiting for you. Oh no, that's fine. It's safer. Take it away.
All right.
Take it away.
You all right? You got what you needed? Go ahead.
You got your phone?
Oh, yeah. All right.
Am I dark?
Well, yeah, because of the sun and everything, but...
You probably gotta step right across in the sun.
I can't really tell because I got my sunglasses. Yeah, there you go. That's better. All right.
Woo!
Water on you?
It does. Okay, come on.
10, 20 minutes.
To get full.
Yeah. Or just wait to see.
Not sure which trolley. Is it this one?
That one.
Alright, we done made it to the Strand again. It is a very, very busy day. Holiday is looking good over here in Galveston, the Strand. Back over here again, and I'm loving it. I'll have to go get me some more taffy apples. Right now, the family is enjoying themselves. I'm enjoying myself as well. So, yeah, people thought I was recording them, but I'm recording myself. It's so cool. But yeah, I think I'm the only one that's sober. I hope you guys enjoyed this walk with me. I probably won't do too much talking, but I hope you guys enjoyed this walk. Thanks for watching the video.